Hey there, homeowners. As the temperature drops and winter approaches, there's nothing quite like relaxing by a warm, crackling fireplace. But before you light that first fire, let's talk about some essential maintenance tips to keep your fireplace and chimney in tip-top shape. Whether you have a traditional wood-burning fireplace or a wood stove, these tips will help you stay safe and cozy all winter long. First up, let's talk about cleaning. Over time, soot and creosote build up in your chimney, which can be a major fire hazard. I recommend scheduling an annual chimney sweep. This professional service will thoroughly clean out any dangerous buildup and check for any structural issues. If you're a DIY enthusiast, you can also use a chimney brush to tackle the job yourself. Just be sure to wear a mask and protective goggles. Next, inspect your fireplace. Look for any cracks or damage in the bricks and mortar. Even small cracks can become big problems, allowing heat to escape and potentially causing a fire. For those with wood stoves, check the stovepipe and flue for any rust or damage. It's crucial to fix these issues promptly. And if you're not confident in your repair skills, don't hesitate to call in a pro. Now let's move on to the damper. This little device is key to controlling the airflow in and out of your chimney. Make sure it opens and closes smoothly. A stuck damper can lead to smoke filling your home instead of venting outside. Remember to keep it closed when the fireplace is not in use to prevent drafts and save energy. And what about the logs? Only burn seasoned hardwood like oak or maple. Greener softwoods produce more creosote and smoke. Store your firewood in a dry, covered area. And don't stack it directly against your house to avoid pests. Lastly, install smoke and carbon monoxide detectors in your home. These are lifesavers, giving you early warning if something goes wrong. Test them monthly and replace the batteries at least once a year. So there you have it, simple tips to keep your fireplace and chimney safe and ready for a warm and cozy winter. Take care of these tasks now, and you'll be able to enjoy your fireplace worry-free when the chill sets in. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more home maintenance tips. Stay warm out there.